The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 227, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties, in Delaware, Kent, Newcastle and Sussex, and the following counties, in Maryland, Caroline, Cecil, Kent, Queen Anne's and Talbot, and the following counties, in New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Morris, Middlesex, Monmouth, Mercer, Ocean, Salem, Somerset, Sussex and Warren, and the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations, coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles, Manasquan Inlet to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles, Great Egg Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Cape Henlopen to Fenwick Island, Delaware out 20 nautical miles. Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Delaware Bay waters south of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.